Before we start, I want to tell you whatever you're gonna do with your car, it's on your own risk. This is my personal experience share, nothing more. I'm not teaching you anything.
This is my first experience with Copart. That's the car. This is damage. It's very tiny little front bumper. Of course, lights needs to be replaced. Yeah, maybe something is broken here. I haven't seen that yet, didn't check that yet. So basically bumper needs to be repaired. I'm not going to replace it, I'm gonna fix it. Despite it's cracked and it's dodgy, but I fix it, it's gonna be like new. Okay, we got parking sensors. Maybe this parking sensor is damaged, I don't know yet. Hopefully not. Hopefully they okay. We got our car is in charging state, which is good. That means electrical hybrid system is all in good condition. So we're charging it now, all around in a good condition. So I'm gonna remove that. Stickers. It's not dangerous anymore. This looks good all around. I got this cracked as well slightly. So that's the car, and it starts and drives. Of course I need to wash it, clean it inside and outside. Not expensive fix, gonna do it myself, of course. So first of all, I had a bad charger. The charger's been broken, I fix it right now, so now it's charging. Let's wait up until the sun goes down. At the moment it's charging from my solar system, and it takes 2.6 watts, 2.5 kilowatts, but I've got washing machine working at the same time, so I'm gonna leave it for a few hours. Oh, see, that started charging right now. Okay, just washed it. Car looks absolutely brilliant right now. Look at these. Look how shiny it is. Yeah. So all you need to do basically with the Copart cars, just to wash it. That's it. Look at this. Yeah. So now let's have a look what treasures in the boot. We have got a couple of tissues, cable charge. We got headlight bulb. We got a couple of paints, which is good. I might well use them. Let's get some tools. Spark plug. The spark plug means it's a misfire probably. Somebody tried to fix it himself. Let's have a look what else we have here. Oh, we got papers from BMW. That's really cool. What else? We got the pipe kit, which is cool as well. What is this? Antifreeze. Okay, that means we have to look at the antifreeze system. That is some crap. Anti-fog. Okay. What's this? Okay. That is the
good and clean tissue. I'm gonna use it. And what's this? Okay, some kind of sandpaper. What is this one for? Do you guys know what is this? I don't. Right, that's some kind of crap here. And some toothpick. Are you serious? This looks like somebody used to live in this car. Let's see what's... Put this garbage away. Right. Here is our hybrid battery. Nothing suspicious here. We're not even going to look at here now. Right. It's pretty clean. Good inside. Let's check what's inside. Wow, look at these guys. We got cups, coffee cups, again some tissues, more used tissues. What the heck is this? Dental gel, don't need that. Alright, Dove men's care. Okay, that's why the car smells like this. I don't know what's that. Definitely not from BMW, guys. Some another crap. Is that BMW part, or it's just kind of some smoking shit? Pan. Right. No, it looks like it's smoking crap. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that all. It's not too bad, guys. Yeah, I found yesterday a couple of Red Bulls as well in the boot. Funny. It's always funny to find some treasures in the car from Copart. Right. Now we clean and we can continue cleaning inside. Outside is good. Look how pedals should looks like after 170,000 miles. This car was taxi, and it does have genuine mileage in it. 168 or something thousand. So it's definitely not being clocked. So look how the pedal looks like after 170,000 miles. Look, it's almost new. It's not worn at all. That means if you buy the car within the 60, 40, 50, 70k and your pedals looks like this, that means you have to think about it. Why the car with a low mileage look very worn? Think about it. So that's my advice, guys. If you're looking into the car, going to buy one, look at these pedals. Of course they can be replaced, but nobody cares about it usually, so just bear that in mind. I was really struggling to open the bonnet because everything is bended. It's not too much, but that's plenty, and that's enough in order to move these hooks slightly down, and it gets stuck here, so you have to press on top from both sides and try to release it, and if you're lucky it will release the bond for you. So we're going to remove everything in front. And first look, it looks like all radiators good. But this arm's bended, and that front frame's bended as well. That is definitely needs to be replaced. This one's, I don't know if you can buy them separate or if I have to remove the whole front frame. Let's have a look. So I disassembled everything, and let's have a look what's here. So as you can see, this one is not damaged, this one is not damaged as well. This is how the BMW part looks like. That bar is good as well. What we can have here is, look, this is all bended up. This aluminum is wrapped. This is where the damage was, the biggest damage probably. So that definitely must be replaced, this part. Fortunately it's all bolted up, so we don't need to weld anything. That can easily be replaced easily. Same from this side. These two parts cost about £25 each. Fortunately you don't have to remove all radiators and everything just to remove these parts, so it's BMW engineers done pretty well job in this design. It's quite easy to replace it yourself. I'm not sure if my cooling system is good, because I think it's leaking. There is no liquid here, no coolant, so I believe I have a damage in one of my radiators, maybe both of them. As you can see, there is a wet. It's already dry, but it was wet here as well, so I believe one of my radiators damaged. And that's pretty much it. This is what the car looks like under, so it doesn't look very bad. I think it's gonna be quite easy fix. But that was category M car, it wasn't category S. I especially didn't buy the category S just because I don't have an experience, so I decided to start from something simple like this, and yeah, that's it pretty much. In order to remove this, you have to unscrew this bolt, and that will go away. And just hold it slightly. Alright, so your radiators are holding still on that metal, I don't know, call it like whatever. And so now we can replace the damaged parts by the normal part. I bought it from eBay for just £20 or something. So just going to replace this one and put it back, and do the same for the other side. Okay, what we're gonna do next, look, we don't have only bumper damaged, we got also some damaged, very little damage on the bonnet, here, here, and here, right? The rest of the bonnet doesn't look bad, so I think
Reinforcers are good as well. So I just put the pieces of wood on these locks because I got power off. I don't want my cars being locked. So look, the whole structural things looks good, right? So we got only this little cosmetic bends here and there. I think this bonnet is aluminium because it's very light, right? Let's just test it. Let me take some magnets, right? Let's see if it... No, yeah, I was wrong, see? I was wrong. This is metal one. That means we don't have to heat it. If it was aluminium, you have to use the hot air gun to heat it first and then to unbend it. In order to unbend, what I should do, probably I will apply the couple of wood, one wooden here and one wood board here, plank. I'm gonna use my universal tool, this one, for unbend it slightly, because there is no structural damage here. I'm not going to remove it from the car, just because I'm lazy. Yeah, and just don't want to realign everything back. And that damage is not that bad, so I think we can fix it just on the car. Unfortunately, I can't do it with one hand and filming video, making video, and another hand just using the tool. So I'll just show you the final results once I'm done. But pretty much use the wooden block here, wooden block down there, and just slightly unbend it on this way. But don't without any fanatism, you know, just see that little bump here as well. But it's such a little, I think we can apply a little bit of filler here and it won't be visible for sure, because that's not really, see, that's not really bad at all. So I think we can fix it just on the car. Here we go. And this is, I think, the end result. This is where the bend was. And here it is. The other one. As you can see, it's all aligned now. Perfectly. Well, I'm doing it this first time in my life. Maybe it's not that perfect, but you know, guys, what I think? I think a little bit of sanding and a little bit of filler will does it job well. So I'm not going to replace this bonnet, it's very well, and I'm happy with the result.